Hello all, in this video we'll be learning how to install Maven in Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. This video is divided into two parts. In first part we'll see the steps of installation, and in second part we'll do the same practically. Now let's move to the first part. Firstly, we need to make sure that Java is installed in our machine. To do so, we can use Java version command. What this command will do is, this will provide us the version of Java which we are currently using in our machine, and it also ensures that Java is installed. After making sure that Java is already installed in our machine, we'll go ahead and download the Maven distribution from the following URL. After downloading the distribution, we just need to unzip the distribution in any folder. To do so, we can use the following two commands. If we have downloaded the zip distribution, we can use unzip command, and if we have downloaded the tar.gz distribution, then we can use tar exzvf command. In the last step, we'll add path of Maven distribution to the path environment variable. Now let's move to the second part of the video and do all these steps practically. To do these steps practically, we'll be using terminal. To open the terminal, please type Ctrl-Alt-T. Now our first step was to check whether Java is already installed in our machine or not. To do so, we'll be using following command, Java version. Now we can see that Java is already installed in our machine and version is 1.8. In the second step, we'll be downloading Apache Maven from the Apache Maven website. Let's go to the Apache Maven website using the following link. Here we can see four kinds of distribution. Two are bin.tar.gz, second one is bin.zip, third one is the source, and fourth one is also the source. We can use the above two distributions, this one and this one. tar.gz distribution is generally used in Unix like environments, and bin.zip is generally used in Windows environments. So we are working in Linux environment, so we will be downloading tar.gz. The distribution is downloaded. Let's go to the folder and view the distribution. Here it is. Let's take this distribution to home directory, create a new folder called Maven. You can create any folder you like and just paste the distribution here. After pasting the distribution, just go to the terminal and go to the path where you have pasted the distribution. Now, using the tar command, you can unzip this distribution. Just type tar exzvf and the name of the distribution. This will unzip the distribution in the same directory. Now cd Apache Maven. Let's see what are all the folders we have in the distribution. Bin, boot, conf, library, and some license agreements, notice, and readme.txt file. Now in the last step, we just need to set the path of our Maven distribution in the path environment variable. To do so, first we should get the path. To get the path, we can type the command pwd. This will give us the current directory. Now let's just get the path command that we need to add in the .bash rc file for the last step. Let's copy this. Now let's create the command. This path is the path on which we have put our distribution. Just replace this and write bin. This is the path that we need to add in the path environment variable. Just copy this and open .bash rc file. Shift G to go at the last, I to insert, paste this here and just write the file using :wq. As of now, this file is not sourced. By sourced, what I mean is, every time when we open a new terminal, this file is executed and all the paths are visible to that terminal at that time. As this terminal was already open, so we need to source the file again or run the file again. To do so, we'll type source and bash rc file. This command will source the file and now all the paths are visible to this terminal. That's great. Now the Maven is installed. Let's check the version using mvn-v. Now we can see that Apache Maven 3.6.3 is installed in your system. Thank you for watching the video. Java Tech signing off.